You're gonna learn how to set up your own hookah today. That much of flavor when you put the aluminum foil, it's not even gonna pull. You're gonna pull harsh because all that flavor is gonna be stuck to the aluminum foil. Now, this is important, the water part. Like this, like up to there. Add this, but wash it right there in the hole. This is like for that. This is like an ashtray. The hookah comes with a rubber thingy, like a hose right there, that goes with this flavor. But I don't have, so either put a tissue in there and wrap it around with aluminum foil. So this is how. Oh, why did I do that? So here's a light. Look, this is how I like to really just like that. That's how I put. Now you're gonna get your aluminum foil. A little bit, you could use either one, this one or I have the other one, this one.
Is that season?
No, sorry, that was before. Since this is little, right? You're gonna put one charcoal, burn that bitch. Something like this. This is called the pinza in Spanish. In English, this is like a clam. It's called a castle. So that people use this so that it gets more humid and it's more quicker. Like you don't have to turn the hookah on. Like putting it a lot of times and nothing comes out. Blah 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 stuff. This one is the good ones. Let me tell you, this is rubber. The other ones that the hookah usually comes with, it has metal. So feel me, that shit fucks up your lungs. So this one is better. You don't gotta worry about rusting up or any of them.